my first date with Hayden. I'm so jealous. Look at him. Good morning, everyone. Hi. So it's currently 9:30 in the morning, but I am prepping my face to put on a face. I know it's going to be pretty warm, maybe highest 80s. Is it gonna rain? Please don't rain. It cannot rain. Okay, it's a bit cloudy, which is perfect. I'd rather have a little cloudy than too sunny. But it is going to be 81 degrees. Oh man. So anyways, instead of just staying home today, I wanted to take Aiden to a botanic garden. Believe it or not, it is already spring of 2024, which is freaking crazy. It's been spring, I know it's almost, but the weather's been wacky, so it felt like a winter for a little bit. So I don't know the exact order, but I'm planning on getting brunch with Aiden and then go to Botanic Garden. It's going to be my first date with Aiden. I mean, we've done a lot of play dates, but I feel like this is like a legitimate date. Honestly, if he could walk even a little, that would be more ideal, but it's okay. I still want to start making memories with him, vlog, upload, and have something for me to look back at, right? And I've been getting actually a handful of comments asking where Ame is. He's still here. He didn't go anywhere. He still barks a lot. I just edit it out of my mukbangs and vlogs. But here, I don't know why I have to prove this, but here he is. He is very happy. He's still just as spoiled. A little bit of change is that now that Aiden's more mobile, he's definitely aware of his surroundings. He wants to play with Ame. Obviously, Ame is a little annoyed of Aiden, but that is okay. They're still getting to know each other, right? But Ame is definitely annoyed. Aiden's napping. I think as soon as he wakes up, I'm gonna give him a snack, and then I'm going to pack up more snacks on the go. So for his lunch, I think I'm going to just share at the brunch spot. I've been pretty open to feeding him like more regular food. Look who's awake! Yeah, I know. It's just a camera. You've seen it before. I know. Good job. You're getting so long. So Aiden took like an hour and a half nap, which is great. And then it's gonna give him some snack. We're gonna chill a little bit, and then we're gonna head out pretty fast because I know he's gonna have to eat soon. I think within like an hour and a half, he should want to eat. So we're gonna have to find a brunch place by then. Was your nap good? You wanna look at the side of the camera? It's like, it's so tiny. What is it doing? Right? So what is that thing? What is that? What do you think it is? You're so cute. Here, 맛있어? 맛있어? Do we have everything? You ready? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to see some flowers? This car's been around for a really long time. And you know, before the whole iPod and before Bluetooth, we burned CDs. My mom kept everything, the CDs that my sister and I burnt. I just put random one in. It's just like, is this my sister's or mine? And then the Tokyo Drift started playing, and I'm like, okay, this is mine. Because I remember watching the movie, I'm like, this song is so fun. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna just head out. We're gonna find a place to eat first. Wow, it's busy. So it's a weekday and it's okay, it's lunchtime. Okay, fine. But it looks pretty busy. Oh, okay. Oh, I found parking, so that's fine. I am pretty hungry. Very hungry. I'm pretty sure Aiden is hungry as well, so we're gonna eat yum-yums. Can I get the corned beef Benedict?
Oh, okay. Corned beef Benedict?
Yeah.
No problem, yes.
And then I think I'm gonna try the fresh berry pancakes. 안녕. 머리 잘랐네? 밥 먹으러 왔어. 뭐야? 와우베리. 하이 토끼. 이래. Can you do indoor voice? What's indoor voice? Thank you. Okay then. Yep. 이건데? Okay, so we started our hike. I actually love the weather. It's warm, actually kind of hot, but no sun. So it's great for vlogging. It's great for taking photos and walking. I'm taking a little break right now. Hi, Aiden. Coming back here, there's just a lot of memories for me. This is where Tony and I first did like our photo shoot when we were like together in the beginning. Not that I professionally take photos, but I did 2 engagement photo sessions for my friends, and where I actually got paid. So one of them was here, so it brings back a lot of memories for me. So memory lane for mommy. You have like weird shit on your face. I'm gonna head back to the car and then head home. Probably stop by to see Pong because he really misses Aiden, but I am tired. I am so out of shape. I think I burned off all that pancakes and egg Benedict from lunch. So let's go back, and even like going back right now is a bit of a walk too. So got a good workout in. Look at Aiden. Look at how comfortable he is. I am so jealous. Look at him. It's like I feel like a few raindrops. It's not even drizzling. I just feel it here and there. So there might be like a quick shower. Now that is off of my bucket list. We did well. Aiden and I had fun. Right? Yeah, it was fun. I got some cute photos in. It was just, the photos came out so amazing. Just this kind of weather, just like the photos are freaking amazing. I love it. I think I was perfect on timing because it just got super gloomy, and I will not be shocked if it starts raining in any minute. They have a cafe in there. I got a white mocha. I did not realize it's Starbucks because they didn't advertise it as Starbucks. I also got water. Gosh, it's so expensive. The water and coffee was like total $10. Okay. Let's go home. Well, what do you know? It's raining. Perfect timing. Hello. So I've been back, but I had to take care of my babies, my human baby and a fur baby. So, yep, we're good. Aiden is in the bed. Ame has been taken care of. It's a little hot right now, and for some reason, this apartment doesn't give us, they don't give us heat and air conditioning together. What they're saying is that right now the weather is not consistent, so they can't turn off the heat, and that's like the only way to turn on the air conditioning, to turn off the heat. I'm just like, okay, well, like, it's inconsistent, but like our apartment, like I'm sure everyone else's apartment, gets up to like 80s, and it's fucking hot and it's humid. But I don't want to stress over it. There's so many other things I have to stress about. So right now I only have a fan. I think it helps with the humidity a little bit, because if I don't even turn that on, it's just so humid in here. Because it's been raining. It's been very humid. It's been very rainy. I'm okay with it. I just have to shower and I'll get over it. But I'm just really concerned for Ame because he has a lot of hair, and if it's humid, he's just kind of suffocates a little bit. So I've been shaving him down a little. Yeah, anyways, babies are good. I am going to take a shower. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little journey, a little adventure with Aiden and I really want to leave records of Aiden's milestones and just things I do with him. I definitely want to include Ame in the videos as well. I feel like that'll happen once Aiden's a little older, when he's more you know, like when we could do more adult things with him, like we can go camping, or of course we're gonna bring Ame. We're gonna be able to work the park, and I'm gonna be able to take Ame and Aiden. So yeah, I'm very looking forward to that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Aiden, did you have a good meal? You crushed those pancakes.